So this is how to upload shorts on your channel. So if you have a YouTube channel and wondering about how to upload a short, so first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. After that, what you have to do next is to scroll down and search for YouTube. When you find YouTube, when you see YouTube, you tap on the YouTube. When you tap on YouTube, you are going to be around this place. What you have to do next is to tap on the plus sign down below over here. When you tap on it, it's going to load for you to see your videos over here. So when you tap on it, you are going to be in the video section. So if you want to upload a short, don't just tap on the video over here. What you have to do is to shift to shorts. So tap on the 15 seconds at the top right corner to choose 60 seconds, which after that you tap on the video section over here to add a clip. Now scroll and choose any video that you want to upload. So tap on it like this. What you have to do next is to just watch the video to see where you're going to cut, because this video is 2 minutes 41 seconds, so we have to cut 60 seconds from it. So what you have to do is to just watch the video to see where it's going to end and where it's going to start. So after choosing it, what you have to do is to tap on the down section over here. So guys, as you can see, it is now processing, so you have to wait. After processing, then we continue. So when you tap on it, this is where you're going to see your video playing. So after that, what you have to do, you can add text over here, or you can also brand the text by adding background, or choose any background that you want. You can also add voice over to it, or you can also choose a filter for your video. So after doing this, then you tap on the next section over here at the top. So after tapping on the next section, this is where you are going to be. So this is where you're going to give your short a caption or a title. So after typing in everything, you can just give it a name that you think it's fits your video. So you just type in any name. After that, you tap on the pencil button over here to select what your thumbnail must be. So maybe you want your thumbnail to be like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. So you have to choose the one that is attractive for people to click on your shot. Do you get me? So I think this is best. Okay, so after that you tap on done. So then you tap on add paid promotional label. So we add it yes. So when tap on next, then after that you tap on upload short, then it will be uploaded. So as you can see, uploading to your video. So you tap on see video. So when you tap on it, you're going to see how it is uploading. So as you can see, it is uploading over here. So this is how to upload short videos on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platform. Peace. Bye.